James Spittle here, following on from my recent posts here at HQ. Recently, this is going to be my second fitting on my third system. So what I'm going to do today is just talk you through a little bit about, so I've just had my refitting, and it was just more to talk about sort of maintaining the actual system itself and how you literally shower when you're in the shower and what to be using in terms of products, just to get the longevity of the actual system, and basically to keep it obviously nutrients in the hair, because it is real hair, but naturally it's not attached, so you need to make sure that you're keeping up and looking after it the most. I'm a strong believer in using the right products for it. What I use is the Jorgen collection, which is the conditioner and the shampoo. Both products you can basically purchase within the HQ website, or of course you can go through other routes, but I strongly recommend these. One, it just adds moisture to the hair, keeps the hair completely conditioned, and it's basically all around really good. So I normally do 2 shampoos, but lightly, just don't really emulsify basically the actual system sculpt. What I would do is just basically emulsify it into the actual hair, creating a lather and then rinsing it and then doing a second, just to make sure you're getting any excess product out. And then what I would do is follow up with the conditioner. Averagely leave your conditioner on for about 3 minutes, just whilst you're in the shower, just basically getting the hydration into the actual hair, and then basically just rinse it through thoroughly. Now when you get out of the shower, a lot of people naturally go to a towel dry their hair and basically do that. Don't do that. What that will do is, one, it will basically be tearing the hair out of the system bond, and it'll just basically, you'll get more loss out of the hair. What you want to do is just basically, when you get out of the shower, just put the towel over your head and just really pat down the hair like this, just to basically pull as much moisture as you can out. Then when I get out of the shower, I then follow up with the same collection with the leave-in conditioner, which again can be purchased on the HQ website. What you want to do is just literally spray that all over, get a good basically coverage of that. And then everyone's differently in terms of people. Some people use Tangle Teasers, some people use these brushes, and then I personally like to use a paddle brush. That's solely for the fact that it gives stronger coverage and it's just not so hard and abrasive on the actual system. And then basically brush through like this, just covering obviously all the areas, just to make sure that, again, any tangles or knots out of the system, just ready, so it's easy for styling and blow drying the hair, so you just get a nice coverage in terms of style. So follow my next post, and I'll be teaching you how to blow dry. Hope you enjoy. Thanks, bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.